Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'awzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Anaam, وَلِكُلٍّ دَرَجَاتٌ مِّمَّا عَمِلُوا وَمَا رَبُّكَ بِغَافِلٍ عَمَّا يَعْمَلُونَ. Translation: and they all have a place of degrees and levels according to their deeds. Your Rabb is not unaware of their action, what they do. In the previous ayah, we studied that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not destroy the nations without warning them, without sending them the prophets and books. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not do any injustice to the people. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the most just. And in today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning that the people who are getting their results in the hereafter is not haphazard. It is with absolute perfection and absolute justice of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Those who perform good deeds are not all similar, and those who perform bad deeds and sins are not all similar. They have different degrees of goodness and different degrees of sinfulness, and their results are also different in the hereafter. Those who perform extreme high degrees of crime and extreme high degree of disobedience will have harder punishment, and those who are not doing as big crimes but still have no faith and they are transgressors, they will be in the hellfire according to their sins, and there are different levels of punishment in hereafter. Similarly, those people who are extremely high in their good deeds, like the prophets, will have the highest rewards and the highest level of Jannah. And after that, those people who are among Siddiqeen and Shuhada and Salihin, they will get the level according to their actions. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala connect us to the pious people and make our end with the highest of the high, like prophets and Siddiqeen and Shuhada and Salihin in the hereafter. Oh Allah, give us the vision so that we can see the hereafter with our eyes of our hearts and do the action accordingly. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.